What is going on, guys? Mase Barber coming back with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the Wahl Cordless Seniors. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a review, and I'm also going to show you guys how to adjust them. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Alright, so we got two views. We got this camera and we got the one down here. This one just so you guys can see first person what it feels like to experience the whole unboxing. But yeah, this is my second pair. That's why I'm gonna be able to review it. I already know what it feels like. So yeah, I like it so much that I went ahead and bought myself a second pair. And yeah, let's hop straight into the unboxing. So first thing you see, you know, the regular Wahl box. Let's get this thing open. I haven't opened it. I bought it like 2 days ago. Still haven't opened it because I was saving it for this video, so you guys can see the dedication. So first open up what you get. Bam, some nice packaging. Let's see if you guys can see it. And then we got the clipper itself right here. Bam. This thing is clean. You see my fingerprints already. God, I love how this thing feels. The lever's a bit stiff. I'm gonna have to loosen that, but you guys, this is the best clipper to get. So we got the clipper right here. Set that off to the side. We got the charger, and then in here we have, oh, by the way, if you guys have the Wahl, let me show you guys this. Bam. If you guys use the Wahl magic clip, just know it's not the same charger. I made that mistake. I thought it was the same one, but you are gonna need to throw on an extra charger on your station if you have already the Wahl magic clip and you're getting the Wahl Senior. So in here, you guys see in here, we got the clipper oil, we got that comb that comes with every Wahl clipper, and we also have the 0.5. What is that? Is that the one? The 0.5, the 1, and the 1.5 guards, premium guards. By the way, if you guys are just starting out, I would highly recommend going straight to the premium guards instead of starting with the regular guards. Knock it out the way, just get these, because I got these when I first started, like my guards, and I haven't changed them, they haven't broken. You just clean them and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for what's in the box. Now I'm going to show you guys how to adjust them. Alright, so to adjust these clippers, it's super simple. This zero gapping this clipper compared to like a trimmer is way easier just because it doesn't have to be as precise. But the reason why you're going to want to adjust it is just to bring the gap between both blades closer so that it can cut closer, and it'll make it easier for you to get rid of that skin guideline that you put in with your outliner. So it's just bringing the blades closer together to make it cut shorter. So first thing, what you do, super simple, you just unscrew these two bolts just a tad bit, not too much, just enough so that the top blade can move around. Unscrew this a bit more right here, so just enough so that the top blade is moving around. You guys can see that, and you're just gonna bring the blade that's in the back closer. Make sure that the blade is all the way closed, and you're gonna bring it as close as possible without making the bottom blade overlap. You're gonna wanna bring it just even, but realistically the back blade, so this one, is gonna be just a tad bit higher, just so that when you're fading you don't accidentally cut your client, because this is the sharp blade, this is the blade that cuts. So I'm gonna adjust it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's done. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys this. Get that on that angle. Anyways, I'm sure you guys get what I mean. It's super close to where it's not overlapping. It's super close to where it's not overlapping, but it's close enough to get rid of that skin guideline, and that's what we needed to do. Alright, so now we're all adjusted. Super easy, super quick. One more step before you go and use them. Don't forget to oil them. Always keep your clippers oiled. That's like the #1 thing you need to do. And yeah, once you oil them, we're ready to go. And now we're gonna hop into the review portion of the video. So let's go. Alright, so first things first, in my opinion, I feel like the Wahl Senior is the best beginner clipper just because of the weight and the power. If it were up to me, and this is how I started, is I would recommend that you start with a professional level clipper. Don't go to Walmart and buy those cheap clippers. Get one that's gonna last you and that you can learn, and it'll be reliable to learn on. The Wahl Senior is my favorite clipper. I've tried other clippers just like the JRL, the Babyless, the Magic Clip 2. I started using the Wahl Senior but the corded, and then I went to the cordless Wahl Magic Clip. I got 2 of those, and then I tried the Wahl Cordless Seniors. Those just changed my game completely once I got that one. It's kind of like once this would die, I would have to go back to the Magic Clip, and it would just kill the vibe. I hated going back to it just because you don't feel the power that this one has. And then yeah, I just always hate going back to the Magic Clip, so I went ahead and bought myself a second one of these just so that I'm always using a Wahl Senior. That just goes to show how much I love this clipper. So the first thing you notice when you pick up this clipper is the weight. It's heavier. It's on the heavier side compared to the Wahl Magic Clip, but that's a good thing in my opinion. It feels like this feels like a real clipper. It has weight to it, you know. It feels like it's not gonna let you down. It feels like it's not gonna break on you. And that's just something I love. And then something that comes with the weight is the power. This thing will just cut through hair. I don't think it's supposed to cut through like wet hair, but I've used it on wet hair. It cuts through it no problem. The Magic Clip, you know like when you go through really thick hair with the Magic Clip, sometimes it'll pull the guy's hair. But this, no problem. Goes straight through the hair, straight to the point. That's what I love about this clipper. What else is good on this clipper? Everything. It's basically everything you can ask for. If I had to rate this clipper out of 10, I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10, and that little 0.5 is the color of the switch and the lever. If I could switch it, what color? Not even, it's kind of cool, like the beige, because if it was black it'd be too boring. Now you know what? 10 out of 10. We're gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. Oh, I didn't mention the battery life. The battery life, it lasts me about 3 haircuts, so maybe like 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, I would say, which is good. But like I said before, once it dies, I have to go back to my Magic Clip, which I hate doing. I'm telling you guys, once you try this out, you're not going back. This has the power, this has everything you need. But yeah, that's enough with me venting about how much I like this clipper. I would definitely recommend you guys to go try it out. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.